Hi, my name is Volkan Bilici. I'm the CTO of Surplus, which is a global B2B marketplace for recycled plastics. I've been coding since I was 15, but my professional career started after I graduated from university. I designed PLC and SCADA software systems for plastics profile industry. Then I started to work for an agency where I developed interactive ad campaigns using gesture and face recognition, sound analysis, augmented reality, and mechatronics. After some point, I decided to change my scope to front-end web development using vanilla JavaScript. Later on, I began to use AngularJS and React.js, which was a new kid on the block. My first big project was making the front end of an online casino and betting application. After working for more than 3 years as a lead front-end developer, I moved to Berlin upon invitation of a German startup. Having worked with startups, I gained a lot of experience in working as a team, making production-ready applications and day-to-day problem-solving on coding challenges. During my career, I had a genuine interest in blockchain, so I decided to work for a startup to learn and experience in a blockchain development environment as a junior developer. During my blockchain journey, I had the opportunity to learn and develop smart contracts in Ethereum blockchain. My ultimate goal was building my own startup all the time. I had that opportunity when I was invited to Entrepreneur First Talent Investor in 2018. After a very challenging 14-week selection and team building process, we have been allowed to start up our own company with my partner. Since then, I've been working as the CTO of Surplus, which is our initiative for making easier to buy and sell recycled plastics, ultimately targeting to decrease plastics pollution worldwide. I recommend new developers to gain experience by working for other companies before attempting to build theirs. Learn how to learn and always be eager to learn new things. When you are learning a new language, don't try to read the whole documentation. The best way to learn a language is to build an application, because I believe we learn better when we are challenged with problems. Working in a real-world project is the first step to become a senior developer. You should face real-world challenges so that the learning process could start effectively. Leave your comfort zone and be ready to take risks. From time to time, it's also good to change your scope, like switching from back-end to front-end or vice versa. Eventually, you will have a better understanding of the big picture in terms of clients' needs. As I've learned during my coding experience, it's always good to be patient. Don't be afraid to fail. I tried and failed maybe hundreds of times until succeeding. I recommend new developers to find workarounds and not be fixated on one way to solve a problem, and remember, there's always more than one solution to solve coding problems. Be selective. Try to choose a job or a project that reflects your passion so that your learning process will be much easier than fun. Try to be always up to date with the recent technologies. Read new articles every week and write your own if possible, because writing also helps the learning process. I took risks. I left my comfort zone regularly, and by comfort zone I mean well-paying corporate jobs. Every few years I've been involved in a completely different sector of IT business. Last but not least, in terms of coding behavior, I always favored a readable and verbose code, so that I can easily modify the code in the future. Well, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps to achieve your goals in your development career.